Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today date is 27th and today we have booked a profit 1944. Now let's discuss the profit and loss statement of November. So here the date range comes from November 1st to November 27th, and totally I have only done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and including today 6 trades in equity. And coming to futures and options, I have just done one trade. So totally from I have done 7 trades, out of which 6 are positive and one have it stop loss. So today we are in positive. The other 6 days are here in 18th November I have booked 369. Then 20th November 610 rupees. 23rd was a loss of 370 rupees. Then on 24th 1500. On 26th 3353. On 27 1944. And on future and options one day I booked 838 rupees. So total in November session I have only done 7 trades and 6 have hit the target and 1 have hit the stop loss, and I have booked total a profit of 10,000 for the month. So I just thought of sharing the profit and loss statement of the month of November. So that's all for the day. I'll be coming up with new videos. Thank you.